Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for making the Sanibella crochet shawl pattern. This gorgeous shawl is worked in 4 colors of Biso Sporty yarn, but it would be equally as beautiful in a solid color too. The addition of 9 gold ball beads at the edge adds an additional bohemian flair that is one of a kind. You will need 650 yards of No. 2 sport weight yarn, an I-9 or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors, and optionally you will need 9 1/2 inch gold ball beads. This pattern is shown in Biso Sporty yarn in colorway Sun-Kissed Yellow, Tropical Hot Coral, Caribbean Turquoise, and $1 Million Red. You can use any of my No. 2 sport weight yarns for this shawl. For the demonstration today, I'll be using Biso Sporty Bling yarn, which is the No. 2 sport weight bamboo yarn that has a thread of pure silver plied right into the yarn. For row 1, we're going to start by tying our yarn to our crochet hook. This shawl is crocheted from the top down with increases. So our first row will be the shortest and our last row will be the longest. Row 1 begins with a chain 4. And treble crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. When you're counting chains, you don't count the loop on your hook. That's your working loops. We'll count back 1, 2, 3, and 4, and work a treble crochet in that chain. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the specified chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's a treble crochet, and combined with the chain 4, this is our first foundation oval. We're going to do a total of 9 foundation ovals for row 1. Let me show you another one. Chain 4, and then treble crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. Now we have 2 foundation ovals. You want to continue until you have 9. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 1. Row 2 begins with a chain 3 that counts as a double crochet, and then work a double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the first stitch. So what that means is the top of the treble crochet that was just worked. So in this stitch here, not yet in the foundation oval, we're going to work into the stitch. So double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then chain 2, and 2 more double crochets in that same stitch. Okay, then chain 2, single crochet in the next foundation oval, chain 2, 7 double crochets in the next foundation oval, chain 2, single crochet in the next foundation oval, chain 5, single crochet in the next foundation oval, chain 2, and 7 double crochets in the next foundation oval. Our repeat starts at the first chain 2 space here and ends with the 7 double crochets, and you want to repeat that once more, and then I'll show you how to finish up the row. Chain 2, single crochet in the last foundation oval, chain 2, and then in the last stitch, which would have been the very first chain at the beginning of row 1, we're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Okay, and this is what the end of row 2 should look like. You should have 3 sets of 7 double crochet shells. Row 3 begins with slip stitching into that first chain 2 space. So we're going to skip the stitches and just slip stitch right into the chain 2 space. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. then work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets in that chain 2 space. Basically, we're working a shell in a shell, and this is how we're going to begin and end every row for the rest of the shawl. Okay, then chain 2 and 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets. This is over the 7 double crochet shell in the previous row. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. Then in that 4th double crochet, we'll work double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. And then 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. Chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 2, and you want to repeat this all the way across. At the end of the row, chain 2, and then in that last chain 2 space in that shell, we'll work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, which mirrors what we did at the beginning of the row as well. And this is what the end of row 3 should look like. You should have 3 sets of a chain 3 space. Row 4 begins with slip stitching into the first chain 2 space, chain 3, counts as a double crochet, then work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the same chain 2 space, chain 1, and then we're going to work a double crochet 4 together over the next 4 stitches. It's yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now have 5 loops on our crochet hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. That's double crochet 4 together. Chain 5. Now we're going to do that same stitch but over this chain 3 space. So we're going to add all of those legs in the space instead of over 4 stitches. So it's yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the chain 3 space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then do that 3 more times. Have 5 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on our hook. Chain 5. And for the next double crochet 4 together, we'll do it over this set of 4 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then repeat that 3 more times. And yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Chain 1. And so that's what we're going to repeat all the way across. At the end of the last repeat, at the end of the last chain 1, we'll work that shell in the last chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. And this is what your work should look like. At the end of row 4, you should have 9 of those decrease stitches.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all about anything we talked about in this video, please leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.